Everyone, now we are going to look into Standard 8 Chapter 2 Measurements. Exercise 2.2 Sum 7. Find the area of the combined figure given, which has two triangles attached to a rectangle. The given sum is find the area of the combined figure given, which has two triangles attached to a rectangle. You can see two triangles are attached on either side to this rectangle shape. You can see a rectangle shape is here, and on either side of this rectangle you can see two triangles are attached to it. We have to find the area of this combined figure. Now the length of the rectangle is given 10 centimeters and the breadth of the rectangle is given 8 centimeters. We know the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Here the base of the triangle is 8 centimeters and the base of this triangle is also 8 centimeters because you can see these two sides are equal. And the height of the triangle is given 6 centimeters. The height of the triangle is given 6 centimeters. The height of this triangle is also 6 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle and the area of this triangle as well as the area of this triangle. You can see both triangles are equal. So we have to find the area of two triangles and the area of this rectangle. Then we have to add the answers. Area of the combined shape is equal to area of the rectangle plus area of two triangles. Given length of the rectangle is given 10 centimeters and breadth of the rectangle is given 8 centimeters. This is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Base of the triangle is given 8 centimeters. This is the base of the triangle which is equal to 8 centimeters and the height of the triangle is 6 centimeters. Area of the combined shape is equal to area of the rectangle plus area of the two triangles. Now area of the rectangle formula is L into B, that is length into breadth, plus area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. Here you have to find area of two triangles. So you have to multiply by 2. So 2 into half into base into height square units, which is equal to 10 into 8. L is equal to 10 and B is equal to 8. That is length and breadth. So 10 into 8 plus 2 into half into 8 into 6. Here 8 is base of the triangle and this 6 is height of the triangle. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are 2 ones are. 10 into 8 is equal to 80 and 8 6 are is 48, which is equal to 128 centimeters square. This is the area of this combined figure. So the area of this combined shape is 128 centimeter square. Thank you.